Green Rubber Kennedy Ag's Urethane Specialist Division specializes in manufacturing custom urethane parts for a wide range of processing, manufacturing, and material handling equipment. We manufacture urethane parts to your specifications, providing durable, abrasion-resistant, and cost-effective solutions for rollers, wheels, sprockets, and casters. Our UHMW PE plastics are available in a wide range of sheet materials, which we custom cut into strips and other shapes, including standard white and food-safe blue options. We design and manufacture molds with precision to handle complex geometries such as cavities, ribs, and recessed surfaces. Our molds are engineered for easy part extraction and long-lasting performance, with features like tapers, parting lines, and side actions. We formulate polyurethane with customized additives to achieve specific properties such as hardness, abrasion and chemical resistance, tensile strength, and UV protection. Our formulations range from soft coatings to high load-bearing compounds, offering tailored performance across varying durometer levels. Our molding process ensures precise temperature control and vacuum degassing to produce castings with exact engineering properties, free from voids, air pockets, and imperfections. We finish parts by deburring, balancing, polishing, and adding any required textures or features, followed by rigorous quality inspections before shipping. To know more about our custom urethane parts for industrial applications, contact us today.